Hui!
The girls are back in town.
Yay! We have visitors here this morning. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Maribin and Marites.
Nagdungan yun.
Maribin.
Nagdungan ang inini.
Yeah. The enemies are together. The cat and the dog.
Perenge chicken
Meredith's
soup.
not a visitor, she lives here.
Hi guys. Say hi.
Hey guys.
So guys, Maribin came this morning. She ride with Roel and then Marites. We picked her up in town. She just ride
Because you
about.
said that Noah is coming.
Yeah, Noah's supposed to be here, but then he texted that he can't make it here because there's something come up very important. So anyway,
Calling Noah. The Bisaya manok Noah.
wow,
We're gonna eat this, Noah.
you missed the chicken soup, native chicken soup. That's why our dad sent this chicken because for
Noah's coming.
Yeah, Noah's coming, and for us to have some chicken, like native chicken. Nothing beats the native chicken. So anyway, Maribin's gonna put some chayote in it.
Instead of papaya.
Instead of papaya, there's no papaya. Lemongrass, ginger, onions.
So something important showed up, so Noah don't have time for the little people now.
No, there's really something important that he has to do today,
I see.
and well, next Saturday he's coming.
Yeah.
Because it's Saturday here, guys.
Saturday?
Yeah, next Saturday.
Next week?
Yeah. Why? 'Cause- Uy, So see guys, Maribin starting to cook this chicken. She's gonna put some soup in it. She's just trying to cook off the, when you cook the chicken, you need to
Noah.
evaporate.
You missed this Noah.
No, wow, very good.
It smells so good.
Bisaya chicken, Bisaya native chicken. And we have rice here cooked by Maribin. So the
I'm the
food,
cook now.
yeah,
It's cooked now.
the food will probably be ready in hopefully 20
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Because we are hungry. Aren't you hungry, Marites?
Very hungry.
Very
I don't have
hungry?
breakfast.
We are the same, Marites. No breakfast.
Wait a little bit.
Ano, you want some native chicken soup?
No, I don't know.
Maybe
have a little bowl. Yeah.
Yeah, a little soup.
Yeah.
Oh, you need to take your medicine now.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give Dennis his medicine. So guys, Maribin is peeling the chayote right now. Are we gonna put moringa on this?
Ay,
Yeah.
tama.
I need to pick moringa.
5 lang ka.
Yeah. Tara, Gi. Manguha tag moringa, Gi. Maribin.
Ano, sayuti.
Oh, yeah, chayote. And we also need to put moringa.
Gamaya ra, iya ko.
Uy, Maribin. Don't be lazy. How's your
Super
school?
tired.
Why are you tired?
I'm tired and no energy.
Why you don't have energy, Gi?
I'm sleepy.
Sama ka, Gi. Uy. Dito, Gi. O, tara, Gi. Kato. Katong taas, bitaw. Kato.
Yun na yung mga migat ba?
Ay, sus.
I'm scared of ants, guys, because I'm allergic.
Yeah, she's allergy and the allergy turns to kagid.
Yes.
Bi ako roy kuan gi, ikaw na kay basing mabali. Sige, ikaw na hinay-hinay ba ikuan kay mabali siya.
Sige.
Sige pa, sige pa. Oh, kuan na pud ana, habog kaayo ba?
Kana masing mabali. Upat.
Okay.
Dara.
More moringa.
Kana.
Much better.
The,
Is this enough?
the lemon, guys, very good.
Yeah, lemon. Limoncito, yeah, you can pick some. Is this enough or we need more?
Enough.
Huh?
Enough.
Whatever. It's really hot out there. Oh. Like when you're exposed into the sun like that, and then you come inside, it's like you're going to pass out. Like you see dark. See guys, you can also include this. This is the moringa flowers. Very good. Mapil makanino. Aning buwak. See guys, the flower, I included it. Look, moringa flower. It makes me dizzy. Going out there in the sun and then coming inside. Kalipong ang kainit.
Dito po sa mukha.
Let's hagpat guys.
I don't want to.
You don't want to what? You don't want to help me? Okay, Marites, you're exempted, Marites, because you study hard.
Guys, I have a good news. I have the highest score in our exam.
Wow,
The-
she's so
the three,
proud.
Yes, because I'm the highest.
You're the highest score last exam.
Yeah, the 3 subject I got a high score. That top 3 I kuan.
You passed them.
Yeah, top 3 guys, highest. Then the other subject I'm the highest.
Wow.
Highest.
Good job, Marites.
Okay, you deserve the chicken.
Yes,
Yeah.
and my grade and prelim is very good.
That's very good. You deserve a congratulations. Maybe she thought you deserve a treat.
Ay, lechon ba?
Lechon. Is that what you want? Lechon, roasted pig. She thought I would say you deserve roasted pork. Oh, maybe we can. Yeah, maybe we can buy a roasted pork tonight.
No, I'm diet.
I'm diet.
Diet, guys.
Wow, that's good job, Marites,
Nice,
with the
no?
highest score.
What can expect ay na mahayos to?
Oh, good for you. So, you are exempted now because you're studying hard and you did a good job.
Yes.
Now you can sing karaoke. Guys, it's cooked. Check that out.
Wow.
Native chicken soup. Very
Luto na,
delicious. Wow, check it out, Noah. You missed it. You could have had some if you came here today. We're having Noah feel a little guilty for not
Next
coming.
time na lang, wow.
Yeah, next time.
Oy.
Yeah, it's good. Maybe Dennis gonna have some.
Imuha.
Uy, tagay, kuan ba ka ng luto sa kuan?
Imo na.
You like the gizzard, Marites? Oh, me too.
Ay, mana na.
No, you can have it. It's fine. I'll give Dennis some little bit with rice.
Dili na to kan ako.
Ha?
Dili na ba kay busito?
Dire gani. Little bit of rice, honey. Just little bit, tiny. Okay? Smells so good, huh? Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Tagay na siya.
We don't want to see. You like these vegetables? This is good, honey, with moringa.
Yeah.
This will give you lots of energy. You know?
Need that, that's for sure.
You need that?
Yeah.
There, honey. Right there. Little bit.
Wow.
The rice, you can break the rice. Low.
Very delicious.
Very good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's eat,
Let's eat, guys.
Guys.
So good.
So good, guys. Thanks to our Tatay Marciano.
Very delicious.
That's from our...
Very good.
Thanks,
Thanks, Dad.
Very, very good.
Very, very good.
Yes, excellent.
Ay, wow.
Wow. It's actually really good.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Good evening, guys. Oh, wow. So what have we been doing?
Take a nap. Supper later.
we took a nap, guys, because we got so tired. It was so hot earlier, and then right now it's raining. And actually, it did rain earlier, later in the day.
Like 3 o'clock.
Yeah, for a few
So
minutes it
hard.
was raining so heavy, and it only lasted for a few minutes. And then, so now we're just having our chica chica here and watching some news, and you know, we just talk about stuff.
Everything.
Yeah, future.
Everything what happened in our country right now.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in our country right now.
So
So,
sad.
No.
you don't what?
She
Marites,
don't want to talk about it.
Yeah,
the politics.
Very
She's
toxic. on
stressed.
Facebook, very toxic. I don't want to Facebook.
Yeah, very. There's so much going on right now in our
stressed
country.
if
guys.
I
Very
scroll in
stressful. That's true. I get so stressed out about, you know,
Yeah.
watching what's happening right now. So it's better to just not to look at any news, you know. So just relax and
It's
chika
okay
chika.
if you are watching the news because
You'll
you
know
can
what's going on. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But just like my dad said that, you know, is it what it is?
Yeah. It is what it is.
Whatever
There's nothing
happened.
you can do about it.
No. There's nothing you can do about what happened.
All you can do is support
Just
who you
pray.
are supporting. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Pray and hope
yes.
everything will be alright.
So Marites, she even went to a
Rally.
rally or protest.
Rally.
Yeah, some sort
Dili
of a
man
protest. It's a
Dili
prayer.
man a rally kay
No, it's not a rally.
Oh, dili.
It's a
prayer
prayer rally.
Yeah.
Prayer rally, I think.
Many people, guys.
Many people went.
Attend.
Yeah.
Attend.
Yeah, and Marites one of them. I even thought
She's
about
so
going, but
very,
Dennis stopped me.
Supportive on the 30.
Now she revealed.
Reveal what happened.
Hala ko Marites.
It's
Political.
yeah, it's a big issue in the Philippines.
Yeah, you know, guys, if you live in Mindanao, Duterte is
The best.
the best.
Yeah.
Agree.
She's
We
the
all-
best president
He.
for me. For me, guys.
Yeah.
Ah.
He is.
He. I mean he.
Wow. Now Marites revealed who she is supporting.
Yeah, because when Duterte's time, very safe, like peace of mind.
more safe.
Yeah.
I can say that more safe.
Yeah.
when-
More peaceful. That's
Yeah,
what
very peaceful.
I feel that too when the
When you
president.
go outside evening, you can say that you're safe.
But now
But now I don't think
very
so.
dangerous.
Yes.
Dangerous.
Many bad
crimes.
people.
Crimes. Many crimes.
So okay. Wow. So yeah, guys, it's so sad. I shed a tear. I shed tears for him. I don't really wanna go through deep into the politics because we even said before in our one of our videos that our channel is not about the
About
politics or religion. But this time, guys, here what's happening in the Philippines, it's just so sad. It's been days now since what happened, and it's really
Affect us.
yeah, it's very stressful, very depressing.
Yeah.
And to think that he's
Bad
79
impact
years
to
old.
to us.
Yeah,
Because
very
of
very bad.
Many Filipino got mad.
Yeah,
What
because
happened
of,
to Duterte?
I think Marites also got so mad that she went to the the rally. But you know, you need to try to be calm and not na
All we
get-
can do is just pray and hope for everybody's well, you know.
Yeah, all we can do is hope for the best, but maybe I don't know. We still don't know what's gonna happen next, but let's just hope.
It
That
is
it-
what it is.
It is what it is. Yeah, that's what we actually talk about most of the days that you know. That's the truth,
Everything will
guys.
happen.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what we talk about. Most of our topics is about what's going on in our country, especially with Duterte. But
We are people and we care our country.
yeah, we are Duterte's supporters.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Kasi yung kuha ng viewers
the viewers gonna you're a supporter of Duterte, but nobody understand it unless they live here,
Yeah.
they listen to him, they see what he did and does. Yeah, there was a lot of news out there about Duterte did this, but it made it all a whole big difference when he was a president, when he was a mayor in Davao. It
Yes.
cleaned the city.
Yes,
It cleaned
very
the city.
peaceful.
Very peaceful. Duterte has millions and millions of supporters. Nobody liked what happened to him right now.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that are crying, are mad and angry over it. So anyway, this is the first time that actually we talk about politics. I don't know how our topic here became
Trending.
yeah, that's what's going on right now mostly.
Yeah, even in the other country.
Yeah.
He's in the,
Even in national or international news,
Yeah.
it's a big deal in there that I think it's the first time happened that a former president got
Duterte is very famous, guys.
famous. Yeah, famous for what happened to this. I would rather for him to be famous for what the good things that he had done, not because of he's a
Even
criminal,
before
he killed people. That's what other people would talk
yeah.
about. Because he is saying that why would the criminals be the one to walk around freely, and the ordinary citizens are the
Confident
ones
to walk
confident to walk around, and the ordinary citizens are scared. He wants it that the ordinary citizens are the ones that can walk freely. You don't have to worry about all the criminals. The criminals are the ones should be afraid.
Yes.
That's what he was saying.
He wanted.
In their in his kuan.
Huh?
Kaya lalaki, we're gonna
Oh,
translate.
he takdan na noon tani mo.
He what?
She was trying to say something.
In his term ba?
Yeah, in his term, yeah.
Yeah. Criminal are afraid.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
and
true.
the addicts too.
Mm.
Diba?
Yeah, of course. And you should know, guys, about what's going on right now. There's a lot of people that are in this they're using what is obvious that can make them crazy, and they even kill their own families, their parents, their siblings.
A lot around here.
Putulog
Even
uti kuan.
Yeah, and they talk about how nice they were before they were using the illegal drugs, and then after they're using it, they got crazy and they
Yeah.
killed their. Imagine that what happened, that he killed his wife and 2 children, little children, 4 years old and 2 years old. Where's the justice for that?
Yeah.
No,
Inaabot tong gilungguan og liog ba ihang inahan.
Yeah, there's so many.
a lot, too.
Yeah, and
A lot
84
of
years
payments
old.
for now, guys.
Because of this oh my god, why are we going on? It's like we're spilling our guts here about our politics, but yeah, guys, that's the truth.
True.
We are
We are sorry that we are talking about like this.
But this is
for
the
now.
reality.
yeah, this is the
happening
truth
here.
and the
What's
reality. I've
We
never
are affected of what happened in our country. That's why we cannot move on still. What happened, but yeah, I'm still hoping.
Yeah, it's been days. It's been days since it's happened, and I never said anything about it. But behind the camera, guys, you know, I cried. I was so sad. I always talk about Dennis. But why they did this to him? And I'm not the only one. There's so many people that cried about it.
Millions of people, guys.
Yeah.
Duterte is many supporters here in the Philippines.
Yeah, I would say that he is the best president.
Yes, for me, he
There
is.
are some things that you know, I'm kind of like against about his policy, and some, especially when it comes to foreign policy, because especially with the US, there's something in there, but then the rest of how I know that he only cares about the Filipino people, and he wants what's
Peace.
good for the people.
He want
Yeah, peace
peace.
and clean up
Yes.
all the criminals.
Guys, he is the hero.
Yeah, for me, he is.
Yeah, we can say that former president
Yes,
is our
he is the hero.
Yeah.
guys.
So, what
I'm
can we
stressed.
we are stressed out about
we
this.
can manage to smile.
Honestly, guys, I've never thought, or I've never expected that we would wind up talking about this politics. That's not the plan. It's not in the plan, but yeah, that's the truth anyway. And so, first time that I've ever discussed politics here in our video, and I'm, you know, I can't hide it and deny it. We are Duterte supporters, and we are glad that you know, he became a president, and for at least a moment the country experienced some
Yes.
peace, and
He's the first president that went in Mindanao.
Mindanao.
yeah,
Yeah.
he is. Yeah, so we are proud of him.
Very proud.
So, oh my goodness. Hello, nga no, mantang nagpalit.
Ano man yun? Ato lang.
Wind up politics. Oh my goodness.
Wala man tayo.
Very unexpected, actually. So, maybe we have viewers here that will go away because of
We're
talking about politics. But we respect opinion, also opinions. I mean, I don't, you know, of course, we don't like the attacks and all that. But we support different politics.
Yeah.
And
And I respect.
yeah, we should respect each other's,
Yes.
you know, who we support. And yeah, I hope this
Wow.
ends well.
Politics is not really good for
Yeah, it's not a
us.
good,
It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, you can't debate about politics. Nobody
Yeah,
wins.
no,
You can't debate about religion. Nobody wins. Everybody just, it never ends well. It only destroys a relationship, friendship.
Right,
Yes.
So, you know, even the families, it can destroy because of politics and
Friends
religion.
and families.
So, but all of us, we are all solid Duterte
Duterte.
supporters.
Yeah.
Just all you know.
Just so you know.
Mini ko ano yan?
Huh?
Mindanao.
I think most of the Mindanao, majority of the Mindanao guys are all for Duterte's.
Yes.
Even for the people in Luzon,
Yes.
there's a lot of
Luzon and
Duterte
Visayas,
supporters.
guys.
Visayas, yeah.
But most of the people are Mindanao. So
Yeah, oh yeah.
Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Because he is a good.
Good.
Yeah.
He's a
Leader.
good leader. No, nobody will understand it because they don't know everything from the very beginning, guys. Everything that he did in Davao City when he was a mayor there, it's amazing. It's
Yes.
very like you will say, wow, you can walk in Davao at 12
You
o'clock
can
midnight.
compare what he did before and what the like
Outcome.
karon ba nga?
Yeah, compare now.
Compare now.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Although his son is a mayor now, but maybe he's not as aggressive as Duterte because
Yeah.
sometimes Duterte would even ride a taxi. He would a jeepney. Yeah, a jeepney. If he hear the news about the jeepney is asking too much fare, then he would ride it. And if they will really ask too much fare, or you cheated on them, you will really see it because he will really slap you in the face.
Yes.
He himself. We grow up like knowing how he really was. And then some of the people only know is the news is about how he is a killer, criminal, he killed people, blah blah blah. So that's why they don't understand. But for us that
We live here in the Mindanao.
yeah, so we know,
We know
what
the
he
truth.
did. Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Okay guys, that's enough guys. Oh my gosh, we talk about politics.
That's what Marites makes stress right now.
Yeah.
I was laughing when Dad is, when he's watching the news, he always, wait, tell me
You get mad, guys.
what happened?
Where is Duterte now? He's never been.
he's
We
not in
don't
the
know where they took him. So yeah, even our parents are stressed out, especially our dad. You
Our
know, he's a
dad.
big Duterte
Yeah, because
supporter.
Dad is always watching the news.
The
and
news,
he know what's going
Yeah.
going on.
Yeah, every day, every day. So anyway, guys, enough of the politics, guys. That's never in my mind that we would talk about it, but it
Just forgive
it is
us
what
for
it is
this
now.
time.
Yeah, for this time. Give us, guys, because we just wanna express and we just wanna vent out our feelings.
Yes.
What happened? We're so sorry about that.
Yeah, well,
so
I
sorry.
hope that you will
Can understand for
yeah understand how we feel, and I hope that you respect what we believe in and who we support, and we also respect what you believe in and who you
Yes.
support. So
Respect each others, guys.
yes, that's all it
Respect
matters.
plus respect equal peace.
Wow, Marit.
That's Marites saying.
Oh my goodness. Okay guys, that's it, because after this we're still gonna talk about Duterte.
Because we are still watching what's going on in the news.
Oh my gosh, I would have to let Dennis know that what we even shared on the video. But, yeah,
we're
Dennis-
talking about.
Yeah, he did. He didn't. He's already in bed right now. Okay, guys, thank you so much for listening to us venting out about what's going on here. I feel so much better now. You guys feel much better?
I feel okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I
That's
feel
good.
sad, but we can like move on. Or
But
try
I know
to move
after
on
you
and,
vent it
like,
out, you
forward.
feel better.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it. Maybe you are deaf now from listening to us, blah blah blah. So
Politics.
thank you so much, guys, and hope you will not unsubscribe.
Good luck.
Good luck, but yeah, we respect you guys, and thank you so much for watching and listening.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
guys.
See you all tomorrow,
See you
guys.
tomorrow. Bye bye.